So hello and welcome to AB Studios. Friends, my name is Suman and you are watching AB Studios YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about how far you can fly the Dji Mavic mini drone. What I mean to say, the maximum altitude, the maximum permissible altitude of the Dji Mavic mini is just about 500 meters, but 500 meters is not a small distance for a drone of such a small size of just about 249 grams. So from last few months, from last few days, you can say, I was just trying to fly the drone in different locations so that I will get the best GPS signal, and I just wanted to fly it up to the 500 meters, and today finally I am successful to fly the drone at 500 meters. And for the reference, I must tell you, I am using iPhone 11 along with the remote controller and the Dji Mavic mini. Also, I just went out to the highways, and so that I will get some free space, and I believe in free space you will get maximum number of GPS signals. So if you have seen my last video, I was in a compact area, so and their GPS signal was not so strong, so I was successful to fly the drone nearly about 260 and 270 meters. But this time I am successful to fly the drone at 500 meters. And one thing I must say, because the Dji Mavic mini have a small sensor and a small camera, but still it can record beautiful footage for the amount you are paying for. And it's just about 50,000, 50 to 55, or nearly maximum up to 60,000 you can get a Dji Mavic mini, and in 60,000 you are getting the such a beautiful footage. I'm just loving the Dji Mavic mini, like seriously. So I will just recommend you to get your hands on to the Dji Mavic mini as soon as possible. I hope you will also love the footage, and I will see you in the next video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that when I will post a new video, you will be notified as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, take care, stay home and stay safe.
Take off the home port. Maximum flight altitude reached. Maximum flight altitude reached.